Okpogri Joseph, ex-lover of Tonto Dike, don begin come outside now dey blackmail Tonto. Tonto don go report the matter for police station. Say me police, me Nigeria police. See the one wey be say she dey so. Say around June 2021, I be say e know this man wey dey call Okpogri so. He say the man promise am love, the man promise am marriage. He say as he come look and say okay. Say in just think say the man dey genuine. He come begin give one. He come begin give the man in heart. He say from time to time he come dey go. He go visit the man. Sometimes say the man also come visit him too for a house. Since they come begin dey do their love dey go. Say but he no know say this Okpogri so he put wireless device for our own phone. When we say they track all record and all activities when we say Tonto Dike they involve herself with. He say he no even know self say this man so he even put secret camera for your television. When we say anytime we say he and the man they perform anything for the man house, so say no say this man begin to record all those things. It's now around August 2021. Now this man come begin to send down different things, so both pictures, so both videos, so both audios, so begin to demand money upon money from this Tonto Dike hand. You see now part of the reason so make can be say in the fear. Now make can be say part of the reason make can be say she even felt they beg us as he beg the man self for the relationship because he don't know what it be say the Nigerians go talk and he don't want anything backlash from Nigeria. Maybe say the relationship no take work. But as he come see say this man now not be genuine person, now he can't come out see me the man go to her. Say she not care to get anything to take involve himself with the man again. Different things when we say this girl come outside begin they talk. Before I will continue with the gist. My name is Sonia, aka Gist na Food. See that your very first time once you see this my white teeth, so me not forget to subscribe and make you turn on that post notification bell so that anytime when I tell upload new video, now you go be the very first person who say go no say yes, say this girl don't say upload new video again. And make you not forget to follow me for my social media platform, my Facebook, my Instagram, and what my YouTube channel, Gist na Food. When we say this girl come outside begin they talk. Like say the man threaten am, even constantly talk and reach to the extent when we say he say during the time of their relationship, say the man can't even borrow money for him hand, which is 8 million naira. Say the man give am 6 million. Say that 6 million so then the man don't give am 6. When we say take borrow this man the money. He said the remaining 2 million when we say they for inside when we say the man over pay. Say every time like they ask this man for the money. Say this man you know give am the money. Come go reach a Toyota Hilux. The model of 2021 model of Tonto Dike so say see dey for this man house. This man hold the motor. He no want give the motor back give Tonto Dike. Part of the reason why we can be say Tonto Dike no one follow this man again. I no want follow you now first. My dear people, may God protect us so more not go see ourselves for the hands of bad people. We see they go carry our nude picture or our nude video, say they want use them against us. Now make can be say private life when we say person they get it very important too because DB this our sister so when they call Tonto Dike so DB she dey very private with her relationship or maybe she not be person we say if even be popular celebrity like that. I not believe say person will go carry go the record person we say image not be anything to the society. Which man he go dey friend you because say you are not there again you go come begin carry come dey write your ex-boyfriend or your ex-husband say my guy hey you your ex-woman or your ex-lover you try when you feel live with him. Which man of his mature sense go dey do things when we say this man do? My dear sister and my dear brother, question when we say I want ask you be say how you go feel when we say your ex lover or person we say you dey into relationship with so the person go tell you say get your nude for your phone. Another thing we say I want to ask again be say you sure say relationship of 3 months say that relationship it today very early for you as a girl or you as a boy to tell your secret to your partner. You believe say for all this matter when we say just they happen so for social media concerning this Okpogri, Tonto Dike, these people who see they chook mouth for this matter so you believe say all of them they try maybe they make them be say this man Okpogri so look like more of the victim say that Tonto Dike they talk like or Tonto Dike they talk truths. Anything we say you get for this matter, don't forget to leave them for the comment section below and until I see you now for my next video. bye bye. Abeg, no forget to subscribe and make you turn on that post notification bell so that anytime when I tell upload new video, na you go be the very first person wey say go know say this girl don see upload new video again.